What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. And yeah, the question is, can you make $100,000 your first year of carpet cleaning? Yes, you can. But based on a few different factors, right? And we're going to get into this, all right? So if you haven't seen my channel yet, if you haven't subscribed, this is a carpet cleaning business channel. So I teach you a lot about the technique of carpet cleaning, as well as the business side of it. And I also have a school, Green Rhino Academy. Below all my videos, you can check that out. That dives deeper into everything, and just it's a blueprint for building your carpet cleaning business. But yeah, is it possible? It's definitely possible to hit that $100,000 your first year of carpet cleaning, even up to $200,000 your first year of carpet cleaning. Okay, but there are scenarios that it's going to be easier for you to do that. Okay, so number one scenario, and really the only scenario, is your budget. How much money do you have to start off your business? Okay, I don't care what business you're in, whether it's carpet cleaning, restaurant business, or whatever. How successful you are going to be in a short amount of time really has to depend on your budget. Okay, so as far as a carpet cleaning business, you really need professional equipment. So getting professional equipment starts with a budget. Truckmount carpet cleaning machine, they start off with about $23,000. Okay, so you got the van, you got the equipment, so you're talking about $25,000 with for all the equipment, all right? And then your van, if you already have a van, awesome. So you're also gonna need advertising spend, all right? So that phone's just not gonna start ringing just because you have equipment. You don't have a reputation in your area, so you're gonna have to advertise. We're gonna get in a little bit deeper into that exact advertising cost that's gonna get you to that level. That's gonna skyrocket you from no business to making that $100,000, $200,000 a year as a actual business in a minute. But starting off as a side hustle. Now, starting off as a side hustle, it's a lot less stressful. It doesn't take as much of an investment from the get-go, and you can actually build that business slowly while working your full-time job until you're ready to transition. All right, so you can start off with a side hustle with any amount of budget as far as your equipment. And if you don't have a budget for that $25,000 truck mount setup, I'm talking wand and solutions and everything. You have options. You can start off. Say you want to start off low moisture carpet cleaning. Low moisture carpet cleaning is literally, you can start off about $1,800 for professional setup on equipment and start doing carpets. Or you can start off with like electronic truck mount. I recommend the Vortex light, awesome machine. So you can actually leave that in your van or your vehicle and operate it, like a truck mount guy would, a gasoline truck mount guy would. Right, you leave it in there and just the hoses come in the house, or it looks very, very professional, rather than have to bring a portable into somebody's house, which I really don't recommend. Okay, in most cases. So if you're looking to do single family homes and stuff like that, having a truck mount, electronic truck mount that can handle 150 foot of hose is highly recommended. So those about $7,000, you can get a good setup on that. All right, or you get the truck mount. Okay, so you can start off as a side hustle and work your way up to where you're ready to transition. So that's going to take you at least, I'd say, to start off as a side hustle, between 1 year to 2 years, depending on the area you live in. It really matters. Okay, so the bigger the population, I think the higher your odds of switching over, from a side hustle to a full-time business is better in a shorter amount of time. Okay, so if you're in a very, very small populated area, like you're in a town with 10,000 people, and that's pretty much your targeted area. It's going to be really hard to go full time in that scenario unless there's absolutely no other carpet cleaning businesses in your area. So population matters. If you want to just do it as a side hustle, that's perfectly fine. You can keep it as a side hustle, right? So you definitely can do well as a side hustle in a small populated area like that. If you have the budget, all right, well, let me tell you what your budget's going to have to be. And get that $100,000 that first year, you're going to need these things. You're going to need professional equipment, right? We already went over that, whether you're doing low moisture or hot water extraction. Any one of those three is going to come off professional. Next, you're going to need an advertising budget. You're going to need that, all right? You're going to need at least $1,500 a month for your ad spend. Listen, you don't have any. You're starting off with the ground. You don't have a client list. You don't have a reputation in your area. You're going to have to advertise. Everybody has to advertise until they don't have to advertise. Okay? So $1,500 a month to start out with should get you to that level. Now, guys, I know it's $1,500 a month. Yeah, listen, $1,500 is going to come out of your pocket that first month, right? From there on out, the money that you make from your jobs, you're going to take the percentage of that aside and put that back into ad spend, all right? So most advertising platforms that really work, you pay after. So if you don't get any clicks, you don't pay no money, right? So yeah, so advertising is pretty much the most important thing if you're going to get to that $100,000, $200,000 mark. So if all the stars line up for you, you have the equipment, you have the money for equipment. All right, if you don't have a van yet, you're talking about $50,000 in total investment as far as the equipment. Okay, take that $1,500 a month and get that phone to ring. Now, guys, you got to know how to clean too. You got to know how to build your system right too, right? Your business. So that's what Green Rhino Academy does. Helps you to build your business properly so you don't fail. Is it possible? Definitely possible. Okay, I had to start off the hard way. I had to start off as a side hustle and build it into a full-time income, and it just grew from there. Okay, so your business model really matters, and you're going to get to a point to where you don't need to advertise anymore. The only time you do need to advertise is in maybe certain times of the year, right? And if you want to scale your business, all right. So you start adding employees, right? You got to keep that phone ringing more so you can keep them busy, right? So but it's all about numbers and being responsible with your money, so you don't bite off more than you can chew. So one very, very important thing I don't think a lot of people talk about is, they start getting money coming in, right? And they've never experienced that type of money, and they start spending recklessly on personal stuff. That's something you're gonna have to really control yourself for, because in this business, and really any business, it's not predictable. Most businesses have this type of slow season, fast season, right? And we all have to pay taxes. So you got to make sure you're not overspending. So you're putting the money away from your taxes, and putting the money away for slow seasons. Things that may happen. So as far as the carpet cleaning business, I've already proven it's recession proof. It's pandemic proof. All right, I've survived through so much when other businesses were collapsing, and just had to call it quits. But the thing about service industry, the cleaning industry, it's always needed. It's always needed. So if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I highly recommend it, or any kind of service business when it comes to cleaning. I highly recommend it. And yeah, guys, so let me know if you like this content, if you like this video. Hit the like below and subscribe so you don't miss any more. And yeah, got a lot of resources below the video here. Whether you're already in business, I got resources for you down there. Google ad management that is very well priced and specifically for carpet cleaners. Down there also, if you're just new and you haven't even bought anything, well, Rhino Academy is there for you too. All right, guys, see you in the next one.